In this video we will see how to send data from HTML form to the PHP file. Data can be sent from HTML form to PHP file using different methods, but the mostly used methods are get and post. When we have a small amount of data and we don't want security about the data, in that case we can use the get method to submit the data. But if we have a huge volume of data and we want our data to be secured, in that case we will be using post method. Now let's create a simple form. Okay, action B form underscore I'm submitting this data to the same file in which this HTML form is stored. Okay, this is the simple form. Input type text, name is equal to address. Okay, br, then input I have to write this, make a submit button, submit, name is equal to shop add address, value be submit, it should be MIT. Okay, simple. Now refresh this. Now this is my file. Now this is the simple form having one simple text field and a simple submit button. Now when we click this submit button, that data will be taken to this file from data processing. This is the same file, this is the same file. Okay, now I have to write the PHP code here. I will be writing PHP here, PHP. Now I have to check first if is set whether the submit button been clicked or not, and I am using the get method. By default the form will be sent using the get method. Okay, shop add is the name of my submit button. Here I have not mentioned the method. By default it will be get, so I will making this get. By default it is also get. Now within the variable add is equal to, now this value, the form data is submitted using the get method. So in the PHP, those values of these controls elements will be stored in the get array. Okay, this is the global array, $_get, that is the global array. Now name of my control is address. Now I can echo this. Okay, br dot dollar concatenation operator. Now refresh this. Now let's write Nepal submit. Now we can see address been submit. If I like US, then it will be US. Okay, in this way, using this PHP method, we can display the value that been provided, that been sent by the user using the form. Okay, so if the method is post, now let's change this post. Now you can see, okay, when we use this get method, you can see the values in the URL. Okay, in the URL you can see the address is equal to US and submit button. When you use this get method, these values, the values that have been provided in the form and submitted are visible within the URL. Okay, this is not secure, but when we use post method, that will not be seen. Okay, now let's do this. I have changed this to the post method. I have to change in the PHP code also, post array I have to use. Okay, now let's refresh this. Now let's submit address Nepal, then submit. Okay, address, you can see the Nepal here. Now I have used the post method, so there is nothing within the URL, nothing is visible. So in this way we can use get method to send the data, or post method. If get method is used in the form, then we have to use the get array, global array. If the post method is used, then we have to use the post array. Okay, $_post. Just we have to check whether that submit button is clicked or not using the is post. Okay, in this way we can collect the data that been provided by the user interface in the PHP file. Okay, thank you very much for watching. Thank you.